Do you need an alarm that will allow you to keep the battery fully charged all the time? The cabinet of your car cool or hot? I'm going to show you this alarm that has a lot of features that it will help you to do all that and much more. So about this alarm is a Viper. With this alarm, the good thing about this is that it will allow you to keep the battery charged. So let's say that you use maybe your car just the weekends, or maybe once a month, or maybe every 3 months, or something like that, or you have a collection of cars and you don't use them all the time. This alarm, the good thing is, will sense the voltage of the battery. So let's say if you set the battery, the alarm to, once it sees 11 volts, it will start the engine, let's say for 15 minutes, and then it will shut off by itself. That is great. Another option that you have with this type of alarms is that you can set the temperature. Let's say that you're in a very cold weather, or it's winter time, and you don't want the car to be very cold. Maybe you have, some beverage inside or something like that. So when it reaches certain temperature, it can be any temperature, let's say 32 degrees if you're here in US. If you're in another part of the world, it might be 0 Celsius. The car can start by itself. You can leave it just in very hot, maximum speed of the air of the fan, so that way it will keep the car warm all the time, and that is good. Or if you do maybe van life, or you have a motorhome, or whatever is the reason, that will be useful as well. Another thing, it will prevent you the thief, to stealing your Cadillac converter. So if you are worrying that someone may steal, jack up your car, cut the Catalytic Converters, sell it to another guy. Your auto lock. So this alarm, I'm going to show you here, so that way you can see it. It will sense if someone is tilting the car. As you can see, it says it has 3 components, but I'm going to show you. I have this is the key ring of the remote control of my car. So here, as you can see, it says siren with integrated digital shock and tilt sensor. So if someone wants to steal maybe your tires or something like that, this will help you a lot. This is the main module, as you can see, the Viper. This is the model. If you want to install it, so it's keyless. Basically this remote control that comes in this little box, as you can see here, this is the model 9756B as Victor. So if you want, maybe I can leave the link if you want to buy it later, or if you're outside the United States, you want me to send you something like that, I can do that as well. So with this remote control, you can open, close the lock and unlock the doors. With this, you can start the engine, and also if you want, you can open the trunk, or in my case, I have a cargo van, so I can unlock the back doors. And if you press just a function and press one of these keys, you can unlock it silently. That is cool. Also here, because this is a long range, you're going to have any notification. Let's say that you're 10 blocks away, something is going on your car, you're going to see it on your remote control. So that is very good. You see the time as well. And you can recharge it using the micro USB, so it's the same thing as an Android phone. So very useful. You don't have to replace batteries or anything like that. So it's very complete. Like I said, you see here is two-way system, and is also you can use your cell phone. Let's say I'll show you something here. Here I have the Viper. Okay, as you can see, this is the Viper. So if you want to use your phone to unlock, start your car or anything like that, or to see the temperature, you can do everything from here. You can start the panic, everything. So that's it for now. For now, my experience is very good. This is my second car that I installed this type of alarms. It seems to be working great. Also, another thing that I was talking with the seller of this, is that with this type of alarm, usually the module is kind of the same, but over time they add more features, and all you have to do is just upgrade it, and that's it. If you never installed one of these, you can install it for yourself, or I recommend you to maybe go some place, or maybe you can install it yourself, but you have to go to authorized dealership of this alarm, because usually they have a special software, you know, to do special tricks if you want some extra things. Or another thing, you can call maybe Viper, say, hey, I want the full-fledged software with the extra hidden features, and I want to do it myself. Surely you have to pay some kind of subscription, I guess, and you can do it all. Otherwise, with the basic, at least for me, it works as well. So let me know, what do you think about this alarm in the section below, and if you want to contact me as well, all my information is in the video description. Thank you very much, and see you next time.